Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access and collecting evidence. This is why backups and logs matter. Once you have admin rights, enable detailed logging and let it run for 24 to 48 hours so you can see patterns. While logs collect, export config snapshots and whitelist critical services to avoid downtime. Make sure to flag any accounts or IPs showing rapid joins or scripted movement. Those markers are the first clues that Hohohub-style hopping is occurring and will drive the next steps. Now you implement detection and immediate blocks so the behavior can't continue. Begin with rate limits on joins and reconnects. For example, 1 join per 30 seconds, and add heuristics for rapid teleport or spawn events. Once done, create automated quarantine rules that isolate accounts matching the signature and route them to a holding instance. Also apply IP blacklisting and reputation filters. These prevent known Hohohub infrastructure from reconnecting, while you prepare stricter remedies and audits. Finish by hardening authentication and closing the attack surface so hopping stops long-term. You should enable two-factor, rotate tokens, and enforce server-side session validation to prevent stolen sessions from rejoining. Patch any platform exploits, deploy automated security scans, and schedule regular updates. Once hardened, monitor logs to confirm drop in incidents. If things go wrong, test changes in a staging environment first and be ready to roll back specific config changes. This reduces downtime and isolates the fix quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.